You ever notice that there is a lack of confidence when you react instead of responding? Yeah, if you ever reacted, stay tuned. This video is for you. Reacting where you're supposed to respond. This video will clear every act of reaction in you. As a child of God, we need to respond to situations. You need to know how to respond to Satan when he knocks at your door. Have you ever noticed when we claim we are faithful, we have faith, I am bulldozer, I am this, but when Satan knocks, bok, 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 you freaks out. It happens always. And that is uncalled for. That is not good at all for the children of God. How to respond in faith. I will give you 4 different tips on how to respond in faith. The first one is, don't talk about the mountain, but talk to the mountain. So talking about the mountain, this is very important for us to understand. If you talk, some people, when they see situation there, if you ask them, they will tell you more about the situation. And the more you talk about the situation, the more that situation expands. Instead of you talking to the situation, just like when Moses was told to talk to the mountain to give the children of Israel water, and then he reacts to the mountain. He struck the mountain, and God get angry. And then he got the punishment of not getting to the promised land. And so in this series, I want you to know that the same way you can speak to your children, the same way you speak to your spouse, that same way you talk to Satan, that same way you respond to circumstances. Don't talk about the mountain. Talk to the mountain. It's very important. Like, when Jesus was tempted on that mountain, and then when he saw the stone, the serpent was telling, Satan told him, turn this to bread since you are hungry. He never spoke about the hunger. He never talked about the stone, but he spoke to Satan. He responded. He was talking to Satan as if Satan is a friend. He said to Satan, man shall not live by bread alone. Second is, Daniel was told to prophesy to the dry bone. Here you declare the word of God, because it is impossible for you to declare your word. So you declare the living word of God.